Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to straighten your horizon on an image with Galaxy AI. So Galaxy AI allows you to straighten tilted photos without cropping out important details. So it intelligently fills in the missing edges so your photo looks natural and professional. So let me show you how to do this. So here I've taken a picture of my two plants on my desk setup here. However, I've taken it quite slanted, so the horizon is not straight. So I can go ahead and press edit, change this around. But as you can see, if I try to correct the horizon, I'm losing all these details here. So I'm losing a bit of my plant, which I've taken. So in order to do this, you'll go ahead and use Galaxy AI. So here we'll go ahead and open this image in gallery, and then we'll go ahead and use this Galaxy AI button. Now here we'll go ahead and play around with the horizon. So I feel like this is leveled. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and tap on generate. Now, once I do this, Galaxy AI will take all these empty spaces and will fill it up with what's already there. And there you go. So this is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. Now I can go ahead and tap on save copy. And now I can go ahead and compare both of these. So I'm not losing out anything at all when I'm leveling the horizon, and I'm getting everything filled on the left-hand side and the right-hand side. So you don't lose precious parts of your images when you're straightening, which is perfect for travel shots, architecture, photos, and any moments you want to preserve in full details. So there you go, guys. That is how to straighten horizon in an image with Galaxy AI.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.